the sweet, acid chili that hits, really cuts through the richness of the deep fried food. So the first thing for a corn fritter is get fresh corn. If you don't have access to fresh corn, you can get the canned corn, but get the corn in brine, not the cream of corn. So if you have fresh corn, that's just going to take this dish to a whole different level, because fresh corn, you still sort of nice and juicy, natural sweetness, juice of the corn that will be popping out inside your fritter. Now, a couple of other ingredients we're going to add to give it more flavor. We're going to add in 1 red onion, give it a quick rinse, slice. Get that in a bowl, loosen it up. We're also going to be adding a carrot. All right, now here we've got some Chinese chives. Now Chinese chives are going to give a nice aroma to the dish and also a nice color. All right, so I think I might have underestimated this bowl, so I'm gonna need a slightly bigger bowl. There we go. There we go. The flour ratio that we're going to be using is a 3-to-1. 3 will be your regular flour, and we're going in with 1 of rice flour. Okay? A teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This will give a nice sort of that golden color. Good pinch of salt. Some chicken bouillon, and a dash of white pepper. Now we're going to go in with some water. Give this a good stir. Now there are no eggs in this recipe. If you add eggs in here, what's going to happen is your corn fritter is going to have a more doughy texture, softer texture to it. Now there's no right, no wrong. It really depends on what you like. If you like the softer version, then add your eggs. Yeah, the protein in the egg yolk is the one that's going to make it sort of soft. Okay, so we've had half a cup of water in there. Now we're adding another half. There we go. Tad bit more flour to tighten it up. This is the consistency that we want. Yeah, it's wet, but it's not sort of dripping. Yeah, everything holds together quite nicely. Let this sort of rest aside for a bit. Let the baking powder do its magic. Now we're going to prepare the dipping sauce. Now for the dipping sauce, we're starting with 2 cloves of garlic, smash, mint. Now we'll put this in a pestle and mortar. 2 numbers of shallots. Into the pestle and mortar. Now we've got 3 bird's eye chili, thinly sliced. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just pound this. And the reason we're pounding this is to sort of incorporate all those flavors together. Bruising the garlic, the shallot, the chili, and you get flavors from everything. To this, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of brown sugar. There we go, beautiful. So it's not like a fine paste at the moment. This is sort of what it looks like here. A 1/4 cup of sweet soy sauce. Stir this well. Give it a little taste. Woo! Fire! We've got some lime. Taste once again. So there you go, this is done. Beautiful. There we go, turn off the heat and this is done, guys. Now, we gotta let this cool off, not completely, but at least a good 5 minutes. Now, once you've let it sit, or stand for a good 15-20 minutes, you can see that even the consistency of the dip has changed. It's sort of become almost this sticky looking thing. Transfer it into a serving bowl. And let's plate up, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, you have a beautiful corn fritter. Enjoy. Now, let's do a crunch test, shall we? Isn't that music to your ears when you make something deep fried? Oh my Lord. You can't get any better than this. All right, if you've enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. Do click the like and subscribe button if you think this content has added value to you. It does help me go a long way. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, peace out. Let's get more of this stuff though. Come.